Here's one. Oh. Here. Can you see this? Oh.
Spray for the honey.
This one. This one. Can you get the honey? Can you get the juice? Not there. Can you taste it? Here, other one. How does it taste? This one.
Ang juice there.
Okay, this one. Not that. Here. No. The other side. The other side. Look at the other hand. This one.
I want an orange one. Asa nag-open eh? Asa nag-open eh, be?
Open it by yourself. This. Look at the hair.
Huh?
This one. It's hair.
Kani?
How does it taste?
Asira basa mo. Oh. Walay another one there.
No hair. This one.
Going up. You can see the honey here. Honeybees. Let's get the honey here on the trees. Let's pick here bees.
You're on the mountain.
And let's pick the bees there.
Where will you go?
Kani ang beehive.
That's the beehive.
Kani ang beehive.
Okay.
Ten mane.
What's inside of the beehive?
Honey.
Honey.
Let's open.
That's a stone.
Huh?
That's a stone.
Let's crack it.
Croquet. Just pretend. Just pretend.
Let's crack it. Yeah.
What?
Honey eyes.
Honey. No. It's dirty.
It's yummy. I want some more. Mango no. Mango honey no.
Mango honey?
Yeah.
That's enough for the honey. Ow!
Yeah. Abracadabra! Walang posporo! O, see? Wala!